for Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:43 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles west of Plymouth near Watertown, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Mequon, Hartford, Grafton, Cedarburg, Port Washington, Jackson, Slinger, Soapville, Bayside, Kewaskum, Thiensville, Belgium, Fredonia, Newburgh, Richfield, Addison, Wayne, Neno, and Waubica. People attending Washington County outdoor testing at Ascension in Mequon, outdoor testing at Aurora in Grafton, and outdoor testing at Aurora in Hartford should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.